Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to buy PI coin on Bitget step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Bitget app and log into your account. Now, you need USDT to buy PI coin. Tap on Add Funds and select Deposit Crypto. In the search bar, type USDT and choose your preferred network. For this example, we'll use BEP20. Copy the deposit address and send USDT from your external wallet to Bitget. If you don't have USDT, you can buy it via P2P trading using your local currency or use the convert feature to swap other cryptocurrencies into USDT. Once your USDT is available, tap on the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type PI USDT and select it. Make sure you're using the market order option for instant purchasing. Next, scroll the percentage bar to 100% if you want to use all your USDT. Then, tap Buy PI and confirm your purchase. The transaction will be completed instantly. To check your PI coins, go to the Assets section, navigate to your spot wallet, and you'll see your PI holdings. That's it. You've successfully bought PI coin on Bitget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.